Let's make a drink I hate. Captain's Blood number 1. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a drink I hate, Captain's Blood number 1. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I don't suggest you make this drink at home unless you really want to try it. I call this drink Captain's Blood number 1 because it is the oldest recipe for the Captain's Blood cocktail that I've been able to find. This version comes from the Standard Cocktail Guide by Crosby, Gaige, and this was published in 1944. He talks about the recipes in here as if they are commonly known recipes, so the Captain's Blood number 1 may actually be older than this book. It makes sense. So I don't think Crosby Gaige actually came up with this recipe. I hate this drink because it is relentlessly sour and relentlessly bitter. It's not something I enjoy drinking. Some people may like it, but I'm not one of those people. So fair warning, try it at home at your own risk. A note on the rum. This recipe does call for a Jamaica rum. I have tried my better Jamaican rums in this recipe and it's a waste of rum. So I'm going to be using Myers. If you want to try other rums, feel free to do so. And if you find some rum that makes this drink taste good, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. In order to make this drink, we're actually going to have to translate some units. Back in 1944, units were slightly different than the units we use now. Luckily, Gaige was kind enough to offer conversions. So the first thing we're going to do is do 1 jigger of our rum. 1 jigger is 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters. Then we need the juice of 1 whole lime. And Gaige does offer a translation of 1 whole lemon equals 1.5 ounces. I'm going to assume that means the same thing with lime. So 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of your lime juice. Finally, bitters. Gaige calls for 4 dashes of Angostura bitters, and he offers a definition of a dash as 1/6 of a teaspoon. So that means we're going to be putting 2/3 of a teaspoon of our bitters in there, which is a lot of bitters. It's more than half a teaspoon. That's almost 3/4 of a teaspoon. And I'll put the metrics for that down below. Oh, I just lost a little bit over the edge. Now, add your ice and give it a shake. Glass is going to be a coupe. I'm going to strain it. I'm going to single strain. And that's it. No garnish. Captain's Blood number 1. Drink with good spirits. Maybe not this drink. Oh my. Oh. Question of the day. What drinks do you hate? Let me know in the comments down below, and if I detested it as well, it may be in a video on this channel. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you would like a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get one, and while you're at the link, might as well follow me on one of those. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up for trying this, and give me a subscribe if you want to see more drinks I hate, or maybe some good drinks. In any case, cheers.